Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung live shot ng ating marketing office dito po sa Antel Grand Village. And ito po ang actual project ng Antel Grand Village. This is our commercial area and this is the bridge going to the Evo City. And ito yung ating clubhouse. And this is our office, no? Dito lahat ng transaction, documentation, payments, title, contract to sell, construction contract, and lahat po ng engineering, the layout ng bahay, at saka yung ating mga model houses. Model houses natin, nandun there, doon po siya sa ating office. And papakita ko sa inyo kung paano po ang process ng pagpipayment dito guys. Dito tayo magbabayad and dito po ang reservation process. So dito po sa Antel Grand Village, kung meron kayong SPE or EIF, so pwede tayong mag-reserve ng property or via online. So for sure na bibigyan kayo ng bank details ng Antel para po maging legit yung inyong pagpasok na inyo pong reservation. So this is our office. So you have this receptionist and look at our chairs and tables. So meron tayong dalawang upuan lang and then isang malaking chairs, and look at this. So very comfortable dito sa office natin kasi aircon po ito. And then meron po itong kompleto na. Kompleto pa ito. Then you are very safe here. Maraming guards. And also dito po sa office office yung ating president at yung ating mga directors. Alright, so at least location po natin nasa Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite. And the location is very good because paglabas nito, papunta na po ito ng Evo City, Cavitex and Manila area. And by the way, ito naman yung ating si Miss sa construction natin. Hi dear. And for our documentation, so actually, sumunod po tayo sa protocol. And then, ito po si Miss Ella. Siya yung ating taga-process ng construction, contract to sell, and construction contract. At kasama niya si Miss Hazel dito naman po sa kabila. Alright, so dito po sa Anya na safe din kasi meron tayo ditong toilets. Ayan. Going up. Ito mga kaibigan guys. Ayan, office na ito. Ayan, nice. Ayan siya. So here, we have the pantry. Ayan. And also, dito po, meron tayong cashier. So ito yung mga tie-up banks natin sa RCBC, China Bank, BDO, UCPB, AUP. So ayan po yung ating mga tie-up banks. And we practice din also 2 meters social distancing. Okay? So ayan po yung office natin dito. At kung gusto nyo pong pumunta dito guys, so look at titawagan nyo po ako at 0927-472-4976. Thank you and see you in the next video.